Hi guys, my name is Anish and today I am going to unbox a very special drone which is in the box. So let's unbox. So friends, today I am going to unbox a drone which comes with a great camera quality and stability, which name is Pioneer GD118 upgraded version drone. But the box is not up to the mark. Here we can see another cardboard sheet when we put it up, and here we can see our drone remote and accessories. So I am taking everything out. Here is our drone remote and its accessories. So at first I am going to show you its accessories. In its accessories pouch you will get 4 extra propellers, 4 propeller guards to protect your drone's propeller. And one thing I am telling you, the propellers are so hard, so fly with cautions. And here the last thing in the pouch, we got a charging cable which is USB to micro USB charging cable. You can plug it in your mobile adapter. Your battery will fully charge within 1 hour. So this is the accessories, so keep it aside. And here our main things, which is remote and drone. At first I am showing you its remote. Its remote comes with 2.4 GHz frequency, which is quite good for this drone. Here is mobile phone holder. You can hold your mobile here, and here the joysticks and buttons. To operate this remote you have to insert 3 SSH batteries in remote's battery compartment. So remote is ready. Now come on to the drone. Here is our hero of this video, our Pioneer GD118 drone. The looking is so good. You can see here is the power on or off switch, and here is the camera. The camera is manually adjustable. You can't adjust the camera while it is flying. And here is the battery compartment. You can fly the drone around 8 to 10 minutes with this battery. So battery backup is also nice. And this is a foldable drone. So before flying you have to unfold its arm. Its arm unfolds like that. Here you can see the drone's full look. You can attach the propeller guards like that. At first take your propeller guard and simply push it down, and the propeller guards will connect with your drone arm. Now the propeller guards are connected. Now to fly the drone you have to power on the drone. Simply press on it and drone lights will blink. Then you have to power on the remote. Here is the on off switch. Then simply pull the left joystick up and down. The drone will connect with your remote and drone is ready to fly. This drone features a camera application which name is VSFPV Pro. You have to download its application from Google Play Store or Apple Store. After connecting the Wi-Fi signal to drone's camera, you have to go to the application. After entering the application, you have to press start. Then the drone's camera will directly show in your mobile. Here you can see the camera footage of this drone. This drone camera footage is very good. You will got many extra features in your mobile app like follow me mode, gesture photo, trajectory flight and many other features. You can fly the drone with your mobile or your remote. My recommendation is control the drone with your remote and see his camera footage with your mobile. So everything is ready. Let's go into the ground. Here we are in the outside and we flew the drone. The drone stability is outstanding. You can see here I just put up my fingers to the controller. This drone features optical flow positioning hold, night vision camera, a headless mode, 1 key return and many other features that should be in a drone. Here you can see drone's lights are blinking. Here it is indicating us that its battery is low. Land as soon as possible. Here you can see its camera footage, which is quite good for this toy drone. Usually toy drones are not made for professional photography or videography, but the only thing, you have lot of fun with this drone. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the all notification button to be notified of our upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.